Агай, сиз менен таанышпай араз болуп атам. Жаш болсо деле, ой, тил үйрөнө албайт экенмин, убактым жок, кыйын экен деп атпайбы? Азыр канчага чыктыңыз?
74.
74 жашар киши менен азыр бир англисче сүйлөшүп көрөлү. Анарбай агай, can you tell me about yourself? What's your name and how old are you? What's your
Very
profession?
good, my dear. Nurjit, my name is Anarvay Mamateminov. I am a pensioner. I worked 1990. I worked at school Karagulja. I worked 21 years at school. I taught many children, of course. I can say as you I am a pensioner now. I worked. I have a garden. I have a garden. Every day I go to there and give water. Of course, there are many work. I helped my children. I taught them to grow gardens. I taught them. Our garden is very nice now.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Fresh
I
air.
help it. Yeah, of course, I'm a pensioner.
Бир сөз менен айтканда, эми баягы көчүңө жок да, мен азыр көп жыл мугалим болдум дейт, балдарды окуттум дейт, анан азыр мен пенсионермин дейт, кийинки мезгилде чарбага өтүп кетип азыр бак карайм дейт, багым аябай жакшы, балдарыма дагы бак өстүргөндү үйрөтүп атам дейт. And can you tell about your family?
Our family, I have 2 sons and 6 daughters.
Oh, mashallah.
Our daughters are in in Bishkek. My elder son is in Bishkek too. He worked there. Our relatives here in Sargamish, we were. And I worked 24 years at school. Then my wife and I were pensioners now. We live. Our village, our relatives are very nice. My neighbors very good. Neighbors. I show how to grow garden. I have there are, of course, I forgotten malina. I grow malina too. And I worked and grow gumus, big gumus. I showed